driving to Choppy, I think I'm pronouncing that right, which is a study in contrast. It's a beautiful little location surrounded by mountains, and you see all these, well, hills covered with wind turbines on ahead and on one side of the road. But you look to the other side, which I'm not going to mess with the camera and show you, and they're tearing down an entire mountain for a mining operation of some sort. And I just keep thinking of that song, Daddy, Won't You Take Me Back to Muhlenberg County, or Buhlenberg. I'm sorry, my son, but you're too late in asking. Mr. Peabody's coal trains have hauled it away. And that's the way I feel when I look at a mountain that's being completely stripped. But maybe that's the past and this is the future. One can always hope. I don't know if you can see now. I'm still got rain. Even in Death Valley it's raining. So, but there's breaks in the sun, and God knows the Death Valley can use some rain. So, high hopes as I head to Death Valley. Well, I'm on Red Rock Road. Oh, there's somebody behind me. Jeez. But you can see the heavy thunderclouds ahead. This just seems like the winter for this kind of weather. It's been very interesting. Might head back to Tucson, see my friend there, and see if I can get into Sedona for a visit there. And then in April, I'm planning to be back in Carson City. So let's hope weather cooperates. Breaks of sun, torrents of rain, breaks of sun, some water going across the road, but you can see where there's been washouts and debris across, but it's still some signs up for flooding. But reassuringly, I have not seen any flooding. So continuing on to Death Valley. Isn't that beautiful? I love all these rocks that just, I don't know, at some point I have a geology thing. I need to look it up, whether they rolled here or they were already here and the sand disappears and then the rocks emerge, or which way that works. But sure is beautiful. And only 57 degrees, but it's supposed to get to 70 something in Death Valley today. Well, I went through some rain, then it stopped. Now it's windy, but no rain, although I do see some ominous clouds. Can't tell which way they're moving since I'm moving. Still an hour before I get to Death Valley. The scenic route might be more scenic, but it's also a lot slower. Although I did He's trying to be, I don't know, French or something, and calls it Fernacci. Fernacci Creek, and it's Furnace. Usually it goes the other way when they're trying to pronounce things. But, well, now I'm looking green. I've been going through a lot of very dry, no green desert, so I'm guessing that rain didn't fall evenly over this valley. I'm driving through Pyramid Valley. And, yeah, a lot of sand and a lot of scrub that looks very dead, so limited rainfall, I would say, but getting closer. It's kind of exciting to go back to a place I've already been, even though finding new things is interesting. Oh, those cars just went by with skis on their rack. I hope I'm not heading into snow, but I'm going to assume not. Anyway, at least I know my way around. I know, I'm hoping there's room at the campground that I know, because it only costs $8 a night, because I have my America the Beautiful pass and I'm a senior. So, since I've stayed at hotels twice, hunkering down in the rain, I need to stay somewhere cheap for a while. Anyway, on we go. Driving down into Death Valley, and wow, this is a view I don't think you see very often. It is raining so hard I can't even see the valley. It's just these dark clouds and rain. Amazing to me, because when I was here before, all you saw was dry, stretching as far as you could see, and now it's different. Well, I guess I got some good books downloaded onto my Kindle, so I'd be spending a lot of time inside my car reading books, if this is the way it's going to be today. So, Death Valley in a rainstorm. Something different. A better view when I go around this corner. A lot of rocks in the road, so I know that there's been something to loosen them. I would guess heavy rain up here too.